For over 34 years, Auckland Steam and Dry has provided expert carpet repairs and installation, transition carpet repairs, installation, burn, rips or permanent spill patching, restretching, urine and mold damage, water damage restoration, refitting, and creaky floor repairs. See this before and after carpet repair. Our online reviews speak for themselves. Our loyal clients all remember us. They recommend us to their friends and family because we work hard to get your carpets as clean as they can be. We work hard to prove we are head and shoulders above everyone else in Auckland. We promise that you will notice the difference. Give us a call on 3767 007, our website Auckland Steam and Dry, where you can even book directly online with a pre-programmed instant quotation, or contact us on Facebook. Proudly servicing Auckland Central, North Shore, East, South, West Auckland and the Hibiscus Coast areas since 1987.